Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Hello, welcome. If you're confused as to why I have no makeup on, it is because I'm going to be doing a palette bingo today with the Moira Cosmetics Wanderlust Dream Series palette. I wanted to film a tutorial with this, and I had no idea what I wanted to use and film with it, so I thought, why not do a palette bingo? This is what the palette looks like. So if you guys want to see the look I create with this palette, then keep watching. If you don't know what palette bingo is, it's when you type in random number generator on Google and you take a palette and you type in the number of shades that are in a palette into the generator and it chooses the shades for you. I'm going to choose 5 because BINGO. And yeah, there are 18 shadows in this palette. There's some neutral, there's lots of pops of colors, there's a lot going on here. So I have my mom's iPad here and I'm just going to type in the 18 because there's 18 shadows in here and we're gonna see what it's going to pick. Our first shade is Adventure. Now I'm gonna swatch Adventure, but I doubt you'll be able to see it because it's a brown shade. But there's Adventure right there. The second shade is Out There, which is the shade I swatched in my Yes Oh Yes unboxing. And this is it right here. A really pretty like purple shade. I really like it. Next we have Daredevil, which is another really neutral shade. Here is Daredevil swatch, just like a really pretty mauvey shade. So far I'm getting all neutral shades with that one pop of color, so I'm liking it. We have 2 more shades to go, so it can all go down south like pretty quickly. Next up is this shade called Sonder. It's kind of bright, but I'm liking the shades so far. They're very like berry tone, kind of in the purpley family, so I'm really not mad at this. And the last shade is Way of Life. And this is Way of Life right here. So we can create a really pretty purpley look here. Not mad at these shades. I'm very excited. So let's get into this tutorial. So the first shade I'm going to dip into is the shade Adventure. That's the first shade that I chose in my palette bingo. And I'm just going to pop this in the crease. Next, I'm taking Adventure and Daredevil on the same brush, and I'm just going to sweep this in the crease. Next, I'm taking that deeper shade, Way of Life, and I'm just popping this in the crease and in the outer V just to add some depth. And then I'm just going to blend it all out with the same brush that I've been using, which is the Morphe M441. Next on my ring finger, I'm taking the shade Out There and I'm going to blend it in with Way of Life. Then I'm going to go back in with Way of Life and just blend it in with Out There. Then I'm taking Out There on a brush and I'm just really like fixing it because it is a little patchy. Then I'm taking Sonder on a brush. I'm just going to apply that into that inner third where there's no shadow and blend it in with Out There. Going back in with the brush, I just want to add a little bit more Way of Life because I just want to add a little bit more depth. Then I'm going to take Walk of Life on a shader brush and I'm just going to apply this to the lower lash line. And then I'm going to take Daredevil and again apply this to the lower lash line, blending out Way of Life. And then I'm just going to, again, take Adventure and blend it out with Way of Life and Daredevil. And then in the crease, I'm adding this Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner in the shade Volume. It's a really pretty like pink and purple glitter, and I think it will look perfect. And then we're going to go finish up the rest of my face off camera, and I'll be right back. And here's the finished look for lips. I used the Wet n Wild Mega Last Liquid Catsuit in the shade Nice to Fuchsia. And that is it for this palette bingo using this Moira Wanderlust palette. Overall, I really did like this palette. The shades are actually pretty decent. I was surprised. This shade had a little bit of Fallout Way of Life, but I was kind of expecting that because of how dark it is. But other than that, it's a really nice palette. I really do like it. So make sure you subscribe for more tutorials using this palette. I'll definitely do more. If there's any video you want to see with any specific shadow in here, let me know in the comments down below, and I will gladly do a tutorial using this palette because it is a really nice palette. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media, and if you are following me on all my social media, that means that you know that you have a chance to get a shout out in my video. This week's shout out is right here. All of their info is down below, so go check out their YouTube channel or their Twitter or Instagram, depending on where I choose. Go check it out. It's linked down below. If you guys want a shout out, just make sure you leave a comment on my video. It can either be a video suggestion or just a nice comment, or follow me on Twitter and Instagram to find out how you can get a shout out. So yeah, leave video suggestions if you have any. If you want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.